Matogoretio ni senita wa hau kabere wa kaunti yo Daniel Karafa riu arimi a mbamba kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga ni macokereirie urimi ucio na kuria ugite thirikari ni irutaniirie kuhe arimi mbegu cia mbamba undu uria ugite ni urehete ugaruruku kuona arimi ni matogiritie urimi ucio na njira nene.
So far is guaranteed by the government because we have quite a number of ginaries which are coming up, and according to what I can see, the president has also launched a campaign to make sure that Kenya is well sustained with food and cash crop revival, of course, towards the industry, agro-based industries, and one of them is the ginnery we have. We have a ginnery at Anguru, which since the time of Moyera became dormant. We have another one in Meru, that's why we believe we will take this cotton.
Karafa ni orete arimi angi gutugiria urimi ucio na njira nene ona gutuika ni urabatara mbeca nyingi cia kuambiriria.
Farmers here are concentrating mainly on maize and horticulture. As you can see, they grow a lot of horticulture, but we are deciding to have an alternative cash crop, so that I see whether this area can grow cotton. And according to the experience I have now, it is possible to grow cotton in this area, and this could be used as a demonstration farm.
Oho ni oretie thirikari kurora weru kambuni cia mbamba iria ciagwire muno makiria mwena wa Mwea, guku akiuria thirikari guthingata kuhe arimi bataraitha niguo gukuria mbamba na njira huthu. Patrick Mariga ni murimi wa mbamba na uria ukenereire urimi ugucokereria undu uria ugite urimi uyu no wike wega makiria kundu kuria kwarahite mai ta mwena wa Gariama ya Kianda.
Waaje kulima ndio tuondoe hii mitumba ya nguo, sababu tukipanda hii pamba mingi ndio tutakuwa tunatengeneza nguo nzuri kutoka kwa hii mimea yetu.
No aheanite mamwe ma mathina maria arimi aya mageragira muno makiria woka ni thogora wa dawa cia kuhuhiriria mbamba. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV Geto Waithira wa Kihara.